Hey guys, and welcome to our first video back in class. In today's video, we are going to be looking at multiples. So multiples are just numbers that fit into a pattern, which come from multiplying our base number by another number. So for example, we look at the first line we have there. Those are multiples of 1. Okay, and because they're multiples of 1, they're going up in ones. Okay, second line, multiples of 2. And bottom line, we have multiples of 5. So what we're saying with multiples is we are going up in a certain number. We are doing our times tables, our basic facts for those particular numbers. So with our ones, 1, 2, 3, really straightforward. It's basically counting. 2s, just going through our even numbers. 5s, going up in 5, 5, 10, 15, and so on and so forth. So that is what multiples are. Okay, now you might be thinking, well, that's just really basic. We just need to be able to do some timetables or to count up in a specific number. Yes, but quite often in maths, they'll ask us for a specific multiple of a number. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to figure that out. So first of all, if we look at the first question, is asking us for the fourth multiple of whatever multiples we're looking at. So in this case, we're looking at 1. The fourth multiple is 4. So that's really easy. Okay, and what it's saying is the same as saying 4, because that's the multiple we're looking for, times 1, which is the multiple we're using. So 4 times 1 equals 4. Next one is asking us for the third multiple. Okay, we just count along. Oh, look, 6 is the third, so 6 our answer. And what this one is asking us is asking us for the third multiple, so the 3, times 2, because that's the multiples we are looking at. 3 times 2 is 6. Perfect. And the next one, we're looking for the fifth multiple of 5. Oh, cool. Underline of 25. 25. Same deal. We're looking for the fifth multiple, so put a 5 times the multiples we're looking at, which is also 5. So 5 times 5 equals 25. Now you might be going, what's the point of even multiplying them? Well, in this one, really straightforward. You guys will get it no problem. What it comes down to is when you've got a much higher multiple that we're trying to figure out. So first of all, we'll go 7s. We're going to write our first couple of 7s multiples in there. Okay, so there we have our first 5 multiples of 7. Okay, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Now we get given a question and they are looking for we're going to go 9th multiple. Okay, they're looking for the 9th multiple of 7. And they're also looking for the 12th multiple of 7. Okay, now we may not know those from looking at a pattern and those off the top of our head. Now what we could do is we could fill it in. We could go, okay, cool. So 42, 49. The only problem is that's going to take us a long time. We're doing needless work that we don't actually need to do with the 42 and the 49. So instead what we do is just do our times tables like I was suggesting before. So this one, it's 9, because that's the multiple we're looking for, times 7. 9 times 7 is 63. That is our answer. And 12 times 7 is 84. So that's how we go and we find specific multiples for a number. So the trick is, first of all, identify what the multiples you're looking at. So in this case, 1s, 2s, 5s, and 7s. Find the number of the multiple you are looking for. Okay, and once you have done that, then multiply them together. Now this stuff is going to come really, really, really handy later on when you're looking at fractions. So this here is not a skill you'd use in your everyday life necessarily, but it's going to be super important when it gets to fractions, so it's important you master it. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we're going to look at factors and how this all ties in.